How to stop new iPhone scam alert. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop new iPhone scam alerts. Scammers are always coming up with new ways to target iPhone users, and it's important to know how to protect yourself. Let's go over some steps to help you avoid these scams and stop receiving these alerts. One of the best ways to secure your Apple ID is by enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring both your password and a verification code sent to your trusted device. Phishing scams often come through emails or text messages, pretending to be from Apple. These messages will ask you to click on a link or provide personal information. Always be cautious of suspicious messages and never click on links or download attachments from unknown sources. Scammers may try to impersonate Apple support and contact you through phone calls. If you get a call from an unknown number claiming to be from Apple, hang up and call Apple support directly using the contact information from their official website. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest software updates, as these often include security patches to help protect against scams and other vulnerabilities. If you do receive a suspicious email or message, you can report it to Apple. By following these tips, you can protect your iPhone and Apple ID from scam alerts. Stay safe, and remember, Apple will never ask for personal information through unsolicited emails, text messages, or phone calls. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. See you in the next video.